Morning. This is going to be a cold start video on the 250 SE. It's definitely cold. Let me go around here. Normally I turn the key on, let the fuel pump run for a second. Let's see how we make out here. This car starts every single time. I had a little problem with the starter the other day, so I've changed the starter yesterday, which was the 15th of April. Just put a whole new starter in for $600. That was nice. But cold or hot, the car starts every time. And it comes down to about 800 RPM when it warms up. I'll just shut it off and then restart it. That's the way it goes.